We out here in Professor's Lake.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Brownbossjatours. So I'm at Professor's Lake right now at the beach side. So come with me and experience this. Yes, guys, so I'm now at the Professor's Lake Recreational Center, which is the entranceway for the Professor's Lake beach. Yes, guys, so I would have walked Professor's Lake many times, but I haven't gone to the beach as yet. So today you'll see the beach. Alright, so I would have done the video of walking Professor's Lake, and in one of my previous videos I went to Bluffers Beach Park, that's in Scarborough, about 1 hour away, so you can see that experience, guys. Alright, so now I'm here at Professor's Lake. We're gonna get our tickets now so that we can, gain access to this venue. Yes, guys, so yeah, I have a lot in store for you. You'll see some underwater footage later, but yes, guys, just showing you around. This is the docking area. As you can see, a lot of boats are there, and at this lake park, guys, we have a lot of lifeguards, so you're definitely safe if you come here. A lot of lifeguards, especially women. Yes, guys, so when you come here, you are in good hands. So we have some pulling up right now, some lifeguards pulling up. It was a very calm and peaceful Thursday evening. Trust me, guys, it was very relaxing at this end. Usually on weekends here would be very packed with people, so you have people going out in boats, paying for rides, and just strolling down the lake. Yes, guys, so something you should definitely come out and experience for yourself here at Professor's Lake Beach. So stay tuned, guys.
Let me get in the
All right, man.
We out here in Professor's Lake.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm here at Professor's Lake. Alright, guys, so just come with me right now. I'm gonna walk onto the beach, but I'm just passing by the slide area now. It was closed. Yeah, it was closed off for now. It will open later. I'll show you that soon. Yes, guys, an amazing slide. Persons from all age group can actually use it, even adults. But yes, guys, there's the beach. It's a really calm day today, Thursday. Not much people around, but we still had a good time here at the beach. Yes, guys, as I said before, usually on the weekends it'll be like really packed, very crowded. A lot of people will be here, swimming, just have a good time. And as you know, with Brampton, we have a lot of Indians, so you'll see a lot of Indians here on the beach. Trust me, a whole lot. Yes, guys, so just walking around, showing you what it's like. As you can see there, Indians taking pictures. But look at the water, guys. As you know, it's a lake, so they brought in the sand. Yes, guys, they brought the sand to this location, so it's not a salt sea water or anything like that. It's a lake. They brought in the sand to make it like a beach experience. Yes, guys, so this is Professor's Lake. Alright, just want to make that clear. Didn't really swim today. I just put my feet in the water, as you can see right now. Yes, guys. Yeah, but the sand here is dark, so it might make the water look a bit dirty on the outside, but the water is actually clear. So there is the water slide right now, guys, open, and persons are using it, well, mostly kids, just having a good time with this slide. Yes, people. So I'll show you later on in this video when Joshua the diver would actually go on the slide and take you guys with him. So I'm gonna show you some underwater shots right now of Joshua. Stay tuned. You can turn it around and you see your face.
Oh yeah. Like away me now. I did that already a couple times on the wall.
When you're underwater, you can see yourself swimming.
No. Oh, I see an X. Like in my about that. Are you talking about that?
Yeah. So hold it up like this and capture his facial expressions.
Sorry, I'm just looking for a goggle. I don't want to go on a slide. Sorry.
I'm so excited.
Okay, that's great. My sister, this bottle is okay. This is great goggle. Yes, yes. Oh, it's not here, right? Yeah. Okay, thank
It's really nice. on these. I don't know what to do with them. So just piece it. Not much.
Wow. 5-2. No, playing is so hard on fans.
Oh!
3-5. I mean 5-3.
Oh.
Can't smash on serve, but whatever.
Oh, sorry. That's that.
Yeah, it is.
What? Since when? What?
You're not allowed to do that. You have to ping. Unless I'm thinking of volleyball. No, you can't. Yeah, you can't smash on serve. Point. Stays in. 4. Yeah, I think it was 4. 4-5.
Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end, guys. It has been a wonderful experience. If you have not subscribed as yet, now is the time to do so. Click on that subscribe button and select all at the notification section so that you can get all my updates as I post them. Yes, guys. Well, thank you so much for staying with me. Brownbossjatours signing out. Peace.